No, it's not. No, it's not the end of the world. It's not the end of the world. I have to get you guys to just turn off the TV, please. Turn it off. Turn off the TV, please. Okay, CNN, constant negative news, stop it. Hi, Nancy. I hope everyone is well, healthy once again. I will always start my videos that way. I have live information, reliable sources. Again, you guys, I just want to bring this to you because everyone's on TV and everyone's hearing so many different things, but I have taken a lot of notes and I am ready to share some really, really good, reliable info, again, from reliable sources. Hi, Joe. Thank you guys for jumping on. I hope you're either going to grab some lunch or maybe you've grabbed some lunch. I'm just here with a little bit of coffee. Quarantined at the office. Is it coffee? What do you think? Comment below. Hi, Armando. All right, you guys, I got news, but let me start off by something I just heard that is so true. You know, the whole job of television is to get us to watch more television, right? So, of course, how do you get more people to watch television? Well, negative news, of course, negative news and things that will absolutely cause more and more drama, more fear in us. Hi, Nina. Thank you guys for joining. Please stop watching TV just for a few minutes. Well, for a while, please. And again, I hope everyone's well. I want to share some information that I just gathered. Again, I'm following top economists. I'm following people that are very important in the mortgage sector, in the housing market. So I'm here for information to give to you. Okay, let's get started. Interview with Jim McMahon. Jim McMahon is one of the top leaders in the mortgage space, in the mortgage industry. He runs one of the biggest national companies in the country for mortgages. He was just interviewed, you guys, and here is what's going on with mortgages. You ready? Out of all the loans that have been starting to process on March 1st of this year, okay, out of all the loans, they're going to be able to close about 88% of those loans. That's awesome. 88% of those loans. Now, the remaining are about 3 groups of loans that they're having some challenges with. So I want to let you know in case 1, you are right now in escrow. 2, you're either a mortgage professional, I'm sure you know this already, or a colleague of mine, a real estate agent as well, a consumer. I want to let everyone know about this. So the 3 groups that most mortgage companies are having challenges with right now are FHA loans. They just changed the minimum requirement. The minimum requirement for an FHA loan right now is about 680 FICO score, okay? Whereas it was a little bit lower before. So now they've tightened them up. It's 608 FICO score requirement for an FHA loan, which is government insured. The second group of loans that they're having a little bit of a challenge with is jumbo loans. Now, jumbo loans are not covered by Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac. So jumbo loans, when they pass a certain loan amount, 700 and something, you pass that loan amount and you go into a jumbo loan. So that part of the loan, those investors are saying, okay, wait, let's take a break. Let's see what's going on. Let's assess the situation. And that's happening with that second group, as well as the third group of loans, which is the non-QM. Now, let me explain to you what the non-QM is. Back in, when we had the market crash in 2008, in 2010, 2000, up to 2012, everyone was recovering. The housing market was up. Everyone was purchasing properties because low interest rates as well. But there was a group of consumers that could not qualify and could not quite fit into a group of loans. Now, many people were saying, but these are a great group of consumers. Why isn't that, that somebody's giving them a loan? So this group of investors, non-QM, took over and said, we'll give them loans. And now the same group right now is also saying, okay, hold on, let's assess the situation. So again, 3 groups of loans that we're having challenges with is FHA, that now is requiring a minimum FICO of 680, jumbo loans, and non-QM. If you guys find this useful, helpful, please give me thumbs up, hearts. I'm going to be giving you information every single day about our updates because we're in a super volatile market. So, you know, again, today is March 27th, 12:03 p.m., lunchtime. Want to give you the info because, again, it may change tomorrow. I may have some new updates for you. So we just went through the 3 groups of loans that are having some challenges right now. Now everyone is working towards them. They're working towards making sure that these 3 groups are gonna be obtaining loans. Now they are saying it may take a little bit longer, okay? It may take a little bit longer. They're saying up to about 90 days or so. But again, 88% of most loans right now will be closing, okay? So I wanna make sure that everybody understands that. Now, back again to the same question. I put a video out a few days ago to really show you and illustrate what is happening right now with our market, what we're looking to go into. I hear a lot of fear. I've been on the phone. I've been on video conferences with my clients, my friends, and it's the same question. The same question is, Gia, are we heading towards another 2008? This is super, super scary. Okay, hi Daniel, hi Maddie, ¿cómo están? How are you guys? Thanks for joining. I hope you share this video with absolutely everyone and turn off the TV. Okay, more info. Let's see, I have so many notes to share with you. Okay, so I'm gonna share some slides also just to kind of illustrate that we are not heading towards another 2008, guys. We are not heading towards another 2008. So for example, Goldman Sachs. Now, I'm gonna listen to Goldman Sachs, right? Are you gonna listen to Goldman Sachs? Goldman Sachs, they handle about 1.7 trillion of the wealthiest people's money, okay? So they're listening to Goldman Sachs. I'm gonna listen to Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs is saying that absolutely not. This is not going to be another 2008. Once again, this is very much an event cycle very similar to 9/11, to post 9/11. So are we going through a crisis right now? Absolutely we are. Is this going to turn into a huge housing market crash? It is not. It is not. Hi Ray, how are you? Hi Chloe. Thank you guys for joining. So as I'm listening to Goldman Sachs as well, they're saying, you know, right now it's much of a pause. Everybody is very concerned, not exactly sure what's happening because the market is very volatile as well. So it's really a pause. We have pressed the pause button, okay? Which means that when this passes, which it will, okay? And how long? Some economists, some people are estimating summertime. It may take about 90 days or so, but then I'll share some slides with you that will really illustrate when everyone's thinking that they're gonna be up and running once again. But the moment that this passes, the demand will be there once again. So I'm gonna speak to some of my business owners right now. Hi, Larry, thank you so much. Hi, Neil, thank you. I'm gonna share some information right now to my small business owners, to business owners who are closed down right now. You guys, this is the time to set up your templates, to set up your systems, to set up exactly how you're going to be servicing the demand that comes during the summertime and the next months to come for the rest of the year. So get ready. This is not the time to go into your little cocoon full of fear. This is the time to be a real community leader, someone who's reaching out to your community, being kind once again, but getting ready in what's to come because the demand is coming back. And that's what Goldman Sachs is saying. That's what a lot of economists are saying as well. And again, I'm following all these sectors to really get really reliable information to you because the TV, CNN, constant negative news. So turn it off for a while. Please turn it off. All right, more info. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna share some slides with you to really illustrate this. Once again, how bad can this get? That was one of the questions. How bad can this get? Just be patient, okay? Be patient right now. There is a lot of uncertainty. There is, oh, is this the end of the world? Once again, it is not. Just really take care of yourselves. Keep your social distance. Make sure that we are saving lives by staying quarantined at home, wherever you're at, by yourself or just with your loved ones. So I'm going to share with you guys a couple of slides that will really illustrate exactly what I'm sharing with you today. All right, so let me turn the camera around. Are you having some lunch while you do this? Because I'm about to go grab some lunch after this. All right, let me show you the dot-com crash and 9/11 crash. Look at this. Okay, that was September 2000 all the way to October 2002. Okay, that was the crash. And during that crash, look at the annual home appreciation. Do you see that? Hi, Carlos. Do you guys see that? This is really to illustrate to you guys that a recession does not equal a housing crisis. A lot of people are scared that values are going to tank, that they're going to go very, very low, and we're going to go into another 2008, which again, this is not the case. There has been times, and I will show you, let me go to this next slide as well. Look at this other slide, okay? Home depreciation. 2007, 2008, 2009, that's when home prices depreciated, which really is the cause for that correction that we had. However, in the years after that, as you can see, we appreciated. Thank you, Carlos. Yes, we are all good. We are all good. So I've shared this with you guys. Recession does not equal housing crisis. Hi, Alexa. And the reason that most people right now, well, most economists right now are seeing this as an event cycle is because of a lot of the behaviors that we're seeing. A lot of the behaviors that, you know, anxiety, fear amongst the general public, avoiding big crowds. This is exactly what we saw post 9/11. Do you guys remember when people are like, I'm never going to fly again? Okay, we're flying again, right? So demand is coming back, okay? Housing crash is not equal to a recession. Please understand that. And let's look at their forecast. Oh, this was in 2020. Okay, look at this. This is the forecast for Goldman Sachs. And again, I'm following them, okay? So interest rates, where are we with interest rates? Thank you, George. Thank you guys for joining. Interest rates are being super volatile right now, you guys. They're changing like, that's my hand. They're changing like 4 times a day. So if you've been thinking about refinancing right now, please check with one of your trusted lenders. We have a lot of trusted lenders, a few actually that we really work with, that we can share with you as well, so that you can call them and they can lock you in once that rate is really low, because right now we're again fluctuating a whole lot. So I hope all this information was useful. Last but not least, okay, what are they saying about up and running once again, once this passes? You ready? Once this passes, most companies, 66% will be ready to go up and running in the next 3 months. No, I'm sorry, in less than 1 month, 63%, okay? 66%. Less than a month, they'll be ready to go up and running. Remember, demand is coming back. Another stat that I found really interesting is how many people are actually still searching for homes. Remember, as a realtor, as a real estate broker, my job is to know where right now the activity is, right? Showings are very limited. We can't even show properties. So as a company, we've become very innovative. We're adapting with time, and we've made our services now virtual as well. Yes, Rick, thank you. I'm going to ask you more about that too. But you know, we're offering virtual services where we need to be doing things safely and responsibly, but we have all of that, and demand has not stopped right now with buyers. Consumers are still out there. I just saw stats from Zillow, from Boomtown, from Realtor.com, and actually their traffic has only lowered about 5 to 10%. That is very, very low. But the time that they're spending online looking for properties has actually increased, which is really telling us that consumers are still out there. Consumers are still out there looking for homes. They're just pretty much kind of holding off to see what's going to happen, to staying safe as well. So I want to share with you that my team and I are here for you. We're here for you to get your property ready for the market. Again, consumers are out there. If you are a buyer, we are also doing all of our virtual services to make sure that we're literally virtually taking you to a house online and showing you exactly everything about the property that may be consistent with your search so that we're writing offers subject to inspection. Technology is on our side. We are in a time where mostly everything could be done virtually. So please reach out to me for any questions you have about the housing market, for any way that you want to strategize with me to get your property ready for the market, to start your process of actually purchasing your first home, your second home, your investment home. And all right, I've been speaking a lot. Anybody got questions? Comment below. As you can tell, I'm like fired up. I'm fired up because I'm getting so many calls, so many texts, so many emails, and it's because everyone's watching TV. Turn off the TV, please. CNN stands for constant negative news. Can I get some thumbs up for that? Constant negative news. So please, once again, I'm going to repeat this. I love this quote. The only job, the whole entire job of television is to get you to watch more television. I'm back. That was a call. Hey, Jeremy. So turn it off. Turn it off and please share this video with anyone. I'm getting reliable information live, minute by minute. Share this with you people that you love, people that are living in fear right now. Hi, Norma. I hope you and the family are well. Hi, Jeremy. I hope you and your family are well as well and safe. Be responsible. Be kind to each other. I mean, every single day, I'm like a broken record. I'm repeating this every time, but please, you guys, be kind. Keep your social distance and make sure you support your local businesses, your small businesses. Some ideas that I've been having is, writing reviews for your local businesses so that when they're up and running, they have collected a lot more reviews. If it's a place that you love going to, kind is the new cool. Exactly, kind is the new cool. I think it's always been the cool, but I think now people are kind of stepping back and just wanting to be more kind because of the environment that we're in. So, all right, I've cut into your lunch hour. I haven't had lunch yet, still quarantined in the office. I'm actually changing some awesome front signage off of our office window since we're right on Broadway. We're only blocks from the beach, and we want to share with the community what some of the free things that the community is doing. There's free lunches for students, there's protection for renters, there's mortgage reliefs. So we're just sharing everything with our community, but most importantly is for all of us to stay safe, for all of us to stay healthy, and get the right information out there, because it's really easy to go towards fear right now and to stay fearful. So please turn off the TV, listen to reliable information, make sure that you're following reliable sources, jump on my page whenever you can. I will be posting live videos, slides, anything that can help you get a lot of clarity as to what is happening right now. So if you're just jumping on, Candace, Jose, how are you guys? Please rewind this video, watch it from the beginning. I know it's gonna be really helpful for you to just understand more about the environment that we're in. So again, love you guys. Hope everyone is safe. And if you haven't heard, on another note, Friday night, I'm doing a dance night-in on Zoom. So if you want to get your dance on for about 30 minutes, maybe a little longer, shoot me a private message. I'll go ahead and send you a Zoom link so that you can jump on. If you've never used Zoom, it's an awesome platform to be, to all of us get together, and you'll see, and we'll actually share about 30 minutes of just dancing, of free dancing. Every Friday, I'm going to be changing the genres, and today is Latin night. Look, I got my my dancing earrings on today. So excited to see you. If you do make it, please jump on to all of my videos. Again, I'm gonna be just putting out as much information that I can for you to give you clarity. Text me, call me, I am here for you. 562-572-4978. I keep putting it out. I keep putting my number out, and then yes, my number's like, my phone is like ringing off the hook and texts and everything else. So I hope you're having a good Friday and staying in and doing things together. Thank you guys. I'll get back to my coffee. Is it? Questions? Comment below. Otherwise, enjoy your lunch. Talk to you later.